Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are back in the bedroom and I have a few things on my list. I want to get the bedside table right there. I got one over there I'm going to do. I want to wash the windows. I'm going to wipe down the flat surfaces and attempt to vacuum all in 15 minutes. So let's get right to it. So to begin with, I have to take everything off of the side table before I can wipe it down. And my husband has a lot more on his table than I do mine. As you can see, it's super dusty, so I'm going to be using some Clorox wipes, and I'm just going to be wiping down the bedside table itself, and then I'm going to repeat the process over on my side. Now we're over here onto the dresser, and my husband keeps putting things on the dresser. So I have to pick it all up, and then at that point, I'm gonna be wiping down this surface as well. I really don't open up the blinds often, and I think it's just because the windows aren't that clean. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. I'm lifting up the blinds, and I'm just gonna go and clean off the windows. You can see my neighbor's house and its glory. I'm gonna be cleaning the windows, and then I'm gonna move over to my side and clean those as well. let everything on the table dry before I put everything back, because I really didn't want it to get all over the stuff. So now that it has had a chance to dry, I'm just putting some of those items back. Here's Princess getting in the way again. So I'm going to let you enjoy this vacuuming montage, and but basically I'm vacuuming all around the room. So I had so much time left on my hands that I decided to make the bed. Duchess definitely didn't help me at all whatsoever. I found those pillows under the bedside table next to my husband's side. So here's the question of the day. Do you like having extra pillows on your bed, or do you find that it just gets in the way? I want to know down in the comments, because I'm not really sure how I feel about it just yet. So I was able to get all that done and have time to make the bed. And as you can see, Princess and Duchess, they're loving it already. So I actually got done before the 15-minute mark, and I did decide just to stop. There's no sense in continuing if I'm done. And so hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know that this is the kind of stuff that you like to see. And let me know in the comments, what do you think of the bed? I'm kind of excited. My husband's gonna freak out. I found these pillows here when I was doing the bedside table. They were under his bedside table. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna make it look pretty. If you wanna see more videos like this, then go ahead and I got some videos over there on the right. And if you want, you can go ahead and click on my face over here on the left and hit the bell notification icon so you get more videos just like this, and you'll be notified when it comes out. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.